Hello everyone. In this session, we will talk about number theory, part C. I put this whole session as optional because these topics are not often seen in AMC 8. They are normally seen in AMC 10, the next level. In the next two lectures, I will introduce two advanced skills, and I will explain every topic with a real example. In fact, I'm only able to find one real question for each topic from recent year papers. Okay, let's get started. The first topic is about finding how many factors for big numbers. Let's start with a smaller number, for example, 72. See how this method works. For 72, we know we can use factor rainbow. So let's try 72. 72 has 1, 72, 2, 36, 3, 24, 4, 18, 6, 12, 8, 9. We find 72 has 12 numbers of factors. Now let's see another method. So first, let's prime factorize 72. That is 2 power of 3 times 3 power of 2. Now let's think about it. Any factor of 72 will be in form of 2 power of something times 3 power of something. For example, it could be 2 power of 1 times 3 power of 2, right? So let's say we have 2 power of 1, power of 2, 2 power of 3, and the 3 power of 1, 3 power of 2. And don't forget 1. I mean, 2 power can be nothing, right? If 1 times 3 power of 1 is just 3 power of 1, 1 times 3 power of 2 is just 3 power of 2. 2 power can be nothing. The same idea, 3 power of 1 can be nothing. So 1 times 1 will be 1. That is smallest factor of any number. So you can see how many number can we form. So starting from 1, we can do 1, 2, 3. Starting from 2 power of 1, we can do 2 power of 1 times 1 times. So from each number, 2 power, we have 3 different options. So in total, there will be 3 times 4. Wow, we get the same number. Okay. So in summary, we can see here as 72 is 2 power of 3 times 3 power of 2. And then we have for 2 power, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 options. That is 3 plus 1. And for 3 power, we have 1, 2, 3 options, 2 plus 1. And then starting from any number, we can draw a tree like this. And then 4 times 3 will be the answer. So let's take it further. When the number is bigger, say we have 360, we have 2 power, 3 power, and 5 power timed together. How can we do that? So let's first consider the first two. We know that the first two, there are 12 factors. And then we have 1 power, we have 5 power of 1 times. That means the 12 factors we get here can either times a 1 or times a 5 power of 1. Two options. These two comes from 1 plus 1, similar idea. So now we just use 12 times 2. We get 24 factors. So in general, we can see here if we have a number that can times into 2 power of something, 3 power of something, 5 power of something, maybe more, 7 power of something, 11 power of something. If we want to know how many factors, we just want to know the number, how many factors, we can do x plus 1, y plus 1, z plus 1, all of them timing together. That's the method. Okay, Let's see a real question. This is 2018 problem 18. Let's pause the video and think about it. Okay, let's come back. So here, the first step, we need to prime factorize 23232. Let's do it by hand, or you can use a calculator, but let's first try to do it by hand. So let's use the divisibility rule. Here, 232, it's an 8 multiple. So basically, we can start with 8. Start with 8, we get 2904. 8 times 2904. 2904, let's consider, is it 8 multiple? Yes, it's another 8 multiple. So let's do 2904 divided by 8. That is 3, 5, 6, 3. 363. So this is a 3 multiple. So let's do 3, 121. 121 is 11 times 11. Okay, we are done. So the prime factor of 23232 is like 8 is 2 power of 3, 2 power of 3. So in total, we have 3, 3, so it's 2 power of 6 times 3 times 11 squared. Now we can use a method previously we discussed. So the total number of factors will be 6 plus 1. This is 3 power of 1, so 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1 timed together will be 7 times 2 times 3. So the answer will be 42. Like I said, this is a more advanced skill, and those type of question is not often seen in AMC 8. This skill will be more often used in AMC 10. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next lecture.